Hi, I'm the student Breno Lopes Mafra, and today I'm excited to present you my in-class exercise number 3 for the course of Web Application Development in the CRN 2259. So first of all, I'm not gonna explain everything about the code, but I'm just gonna show my Solution Explorer. Here on the project area workspace, I have some files here about the login and logout, some user settings. Here in the models, I have some files like application user, the components, controllers, and also here in this view, general project, I have some views for role, manager, the home, and shared views that has some components that I created here for the roles and also my nav bar. Now I'm going to demonstrate my project database management. Here I updated the tables, so you can see here in the identity part, the identity update tables. And here I have the public as well with these tables. And here in my application, the new features that I added is the login and the register part. Here in the register part, the user has to put the email, password, the confirmation of the password, first and last name. It has all the validations included. And after the user put all the information here and press the register button, he's gonna receive an email confirmation here in the email. I used SendGrid to do that, and it's working fine. And the user needs to do it only once, so I already did in mine. And here in the login page, after the user put the verified email and the password, he can log in. All these features are working as well, and it has the error validation. And now, after the user login, he's gonna be able to see his picture, his email here, and a welcome message with his name, the name that he registered while registering the user, right? And then I'm gonna use the logout function just to see that it's working. So the user can log out successfully. After the user login for the first time, there won't be his picture here, but just a default image for an user, right? So here, the user can see all the information about him in the profile tab. So when I click here, I have my profile where I can change my profile picture, just selecting one. So for example, if I'm gonna put the default profile, it's gonna, and I can change my phone number and my name. For example, if I change my name, uh, just an example, and then my phone number and save it, it's gonna show a successfully message about my profile that has been updated, and I can change the number of times that I can change my name. The default times are 3 times. And here as well, I can change my email, the password. I can add a two-factor authentication and also delete my data. You can see that after changing the profile picture, it's gonna change in the nav bar as well. And if I click here in the nav bar, it's gonna redirect me to my profile page as well. Here in the projects tab, I can create a new project. You can see that all the project details here as the details of the project and each task on the project. I also created a super admin in my database, and then after logging with the super admin account, this tab is gonna show up. So I have admin's options now. Here I can manage roles. So there's 4 kind of roles and descriptions, and here I can manage the roles of the other users as well. So for example, here, if I set an user as manager of my project and press update, he's gonna have now the manager role. Now, even if I try to manage the roles with the account that is not manager or super admin, it's not gonna work as well. So the access will be denied, and the user can access that only after a super admin or a manager change his role. So that was my in-class exercise 3, and thank you for watching the video.